Yes, hello, hi, this is me, this is my face, this is what I look like. But anyways, on to the first thing. I have received my first nice modification to my car. I have bought a cold air intake. Honestly, I think this was the last one that was in stock because these things were made in like 2012. This kit was a K&N cold air intake. Not really much of a cold air, I'd say, but I'm excited to put it on because I want to see how it sounds once I put it on. So I found this in a site in Australia. I'd say this was in their the end of the warehouse because the amount of dust that was on top of when I opened the package. And also this seal that says, well, it said sealess to ensure performance kit wasn't tampered with. That was, well, broken. But everything else is fine. Everything's in it. Everything's nice and tight. So yeah, let's go and put it on. Right, I am now in a different location, but still sunny and still have my car. This is my car, by the way, if you haven't seen. Don't mind the mess. Just doing some boring maintenance stuff. But anyways, let's get to the good part. So what goes with the air filter will go through together. Here it is, the box. I'll give it a quick open. So obviously it comes with the pot filter. It comes with whatever the fucking this is. Tube this is the cold air, so to say. Instructions, there's a warranty in there, cool stickers. And there's the brackets and bolts. That's about it. So that's everything we get. The cleaner tells you how to clean. So manual brackets, cold air tube. I'm guessing this goes in the pot filter for fitment, and this is the pot filter. So first I pretty much have to get rid of the battery and the fucking plastic around it, and then this can all go. This stays. I think we use this, but alright, let's get into it. Right, okay, now if I'm correct, this should come right off. If I'm correct. If. Oh, jeez, it's heavy. Okay, let's put that down here on the sun. Right, now it's time to take this holding out somehow. How do we take this out is the question. What's holding it down? What is holding you down? Oh, almost there. There we go. Finally, it's out. Now the air filter. How do you take this out? It says I should be able to carefully lift the air box, air filter out carefully. I don't believe that. Oh, I now believe it. Oh. This tube now has to go back on. Why I needed to take it out in the first place. Yeah, that's now on. What's next? Okay, now time to fit the metal adapter. That's what this is. I don't know how far this has to go in. I'm going to put in as much as I can for the moment and screw her in. I have to unscrew a bolt here, but it's not very good at indicating where it is. Oh, it could be this one. I'm guessing it's this one. Cool. Let me just check if it is. Yeah, it is this one. I was correct. I was correct. So I have to put the saddle bracket on to the mounting like so. My father is now back. I'm guessing he won't like this idea at all. Salut! J'ai acheté un pod filter.
Hein? Tu l'as quand même acheté? À mon avis, c'est de l'argent pour rien. Mais bon. Mais t'occupais déjà que ça roule correctement, puis toutes les pièces sont en état. Non, il faut que je t'aide, c'est ça?
Peut-être.
Alors, c'est quoi le problème? Qu'est-ce qu'il fait là, lui? Tu peux pas me dire qu'il filme?
Il filme tes fesses?
Bon, non.
Right, so I did. Intake. So this is after now I've done the intake kit. So it's all, as you can see, it's all in it now. So when my father started helping me, he was like, "No, let's make it different. Let's not follow the instructions." So he wanted to put the original part of the intake here and here, and then use the cold tube that the K&N filter gave us just over here, so the cold air would literally be feeding hit straight in. Don't know how much cold air it's actually giving in, but normally this was to be going all the way up here, but I'd say we'll be stopping close here. But yeah, anyways, that's how it looks. Laurent Engineering at its finest. Brilliant stuff. Started. Today we're on Renault and the intake. So I'm now in a different location. There's 2 locations now I've been in. I was in Cove. I told everyone I'd be doing it in Cove, and then I was in Ballybunion. So now at Dave's beautiful man. Time to listen to the engine again. She covered in mould, is she, Dave?
Oh yeah.
She covered in mould.
Oh man.
Oh Jesus, look at her there now. Look at her there now. Oh fucking stinks of fucking
Look
shit. The class bumper. God damn. God damn. I love that bumper. Bumper delete. What is it, 2 litre?
Yeah.
2 litre. Oh yeah, yours are so much easier to get than mine.
Oh yeah.
They're just right there. What? They're missing the key. Let's turn around. It's the back, I suppose, I'm supposed to go, isn't it? Oh Jesus. What the fuck? Oh. Oh, they're not in sports mode, lad. They're not in sports mode. Need to put them in sports mode. Oh yeah. Booful. Now you're mean and fucking shit, like. Is that a straight pipe? No!
What I'm going to be doing, this engine here, 2 litre, is going to be replaced with an LS1 or an LS3, and I'm going to supercharge it.
Supercharged.
Supercharge, yeah. That's. Check out next year, or tune in next year.
When you're still in debt.
When I'm still in debt. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm going to take her out and everything and just clean her up and give her new strap.
There's a whole lot of space. This fucking base.
Oh my! I was looking for an LT as well. They'd be more for like, they'd be ideal now. The LT, they're for travel, like.
Yeah.
You can get one for only like 4.5 grand. With maybe 150,000 kilometers on it.
Okay.
Which isn't bad, like.
Not bad.
But
what mine's on.
they're kind of pricey. Like, they'd be better for travel, like they're made for distance.
Yeah.
So then I was thinking that, but then I haven't seen a supercharged LT.
They're all turboed.
I know they're all.
Yeah. Well, they're not
No,
originally
you can.
turboed.
Yeah, but you can get
But
a
everyone turboed.
Yeah. Or when I was going turbo this, which I probably will before I get.
That's the intake, is it? Get rid of that. Get rid of that, boy. Get a pod, boy. Get a pod. Then it'll make nice.
I definitely get a.
Then it'll make nice.
Yeah. No, I'll get you fucking
Is it stuck now, boy?
No.
Stuck now, boy.
Nice.
It is, boy.
No,
it is, boy.
Only disconnect the positive. Because no one gives a fuck about it.
Only going to the ground, boy. There she is. There's your shit box. Yeah, I will put it in frame. There's our shit box, boy.
Yeah, bye.
It won't be a shit box next year, hopefully.
No. This will be a fucking mint piece of machine. Headlights, LED headlights going in.
I'm putting the fucking projector ones as well. You know, with the LEDs around the circle.
Yes.
When it's the daylight.
Yeah, fucking. So the work to be done, you might replace this scratch bar.
Projects.
Projects to be done.
Projects to be done. Yeah, when we get money, please like, subscribe, so we can make millions for our own, just for ourselves.
For
We
our
don't care
self
about you.
benefit, yeah.
Yeah, no, you just need to subscribe. So we get money,
Yeah.
and then you can watch.
But you need to make a channel as well.
I need to make channel.
Yeah.
Channel, yeah, will be made.
Right, anyway, that's it. I shall talk to you next time. Goodbye.